Mission-critical unified communications and collaboration. Unified Communications and Collaboration, or UC, provides increased productivity tools for the workforce with the added benefit of cost efficiencies. Perhaps people need to travel less. They can get their job done more efficiently as they can get quick access to the knowledge pool in their organization by whatever means. Presence to tell if people are there, chat to allow for multitasking, screen sharing for the effective visual collaboration, and of course, voice and video conferencing. All these produce more immersive ways to communicate, new ways to get the job done. Whether we're talking UC in the enterprise or in the contact center, customer or user experience is key. What happens if call quality drops at the point that the customer is giving the details of an order to the contact center agents? How can efficient collaboration take place? What impression does it give if the patient is phoning their doctor to get their test results and they are not able to understand what's being said? What about the frustration of calls dropping mid-sentence, especially when you phoned into the contact center, waited ages to be transferred to the correct person to deal with your request? You just don't want to go through that authorization and call routing nonsense to start your inquiry again. So, user experience is king. As the enterprise UC guy or the contact center manager, you need to protect against these sorts of everyday events affecting your UC environment and ultimately your users or your customers. Consequences are real, tangible, emotional, and costly. This is a mission-critical service no matter what your organization is doing. Issues could cause loss of revenue, can't take orders, loss of customers, they've gone to your competitors in frustration, and loss of reputation. The customer has lost confidence in your organization. The trouble is, UC is complex, combining the network, multiple vendors, UC equipment, SIP trunks, SD-WAN, and even the cloud or cloud services. The network is much more than just plumbing. It's fundamental to your UC experience, no matter where your services are, on-prem or in the cloud. The network is also running other services as well. The converged network is as vital as today, as it was yesterday, as it will be tomorrow, the unsung hero or the root cause of UC problems. At the core of your system will be UC platforms from vendors such as Avaya, Cisco UC Jabber, Microsoft Skype for Business or Teams, and you may have a mix of them. The core system will be supplemented by other technologies to provide connectivity across your enterprise or contact center environment to the outside world, such as SIP trunking to provide cost-effective communications long haul. I've seen customers saving millions every month with its implementation. SD-WAN bolsters your branch WAN or MPLS infrastructure with cheap internet bandwidth or even 4G backup. These technologies add more vendors, more components, and of course, more providers in the service chain. More things to manage, more tools, more things to go wrong, and more things that can affect your UC experience. As you can see, putting UC solutions together is pretty complex, and rightly so, to offer the new advanced UC collaboration services. But keeping all these systems running together, happily, providing great UC experience for your users, customers, and your contact center agents is often a cause for keeping you up at night. Does UC Cloud Migration offer some respite? You might hope, but not necessarily. Cloud Initiative 1. You don't want to clutter your data center with the UC components, call managers, SPCs, gateways, etc. So drop them in the cloud and manage them yourself. Cloud Initiative 2. You don't want to even manage the call managers, SPCs, gateways, so you get them outsourced, stick them in the cloud, and get someone else to manage them. Headache gone yet? To preserve user experience, your mission-critical UC needs to be managed or viewed holistically across all of these domains, whether you own them or not. And the good news is, NETSCOUT provide visibility that can help.